Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you have an HP high-end machine, you might be stuck in a recovery situation where you get to the BitLocker screen, which asks you for the BitLocker key. You enter the correct key, and what happens? Well, you get back to point A, which means it asks you again for the same thing. Now, HP has finally admitted that a BIOS update that it pushed in April is responsible for this behavior. It's their faulty behavior that breaks HP machines. Now, most of these machines are either professional machines, enterprise, or if you spend a lot of money on laptops or computers, you could have had one if you buy one of those high-end HP machines. So this is a situation where you kind of in a boot loop where you have nothing that you can do. Well, HP has issued a series of instructions on how to fix this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the link to the Windows Central or Windows Latest article that actually gives you a detailed instruction of what to do in order to be able to recover from this recovery environment problem, and so that you'll be able to get your PC back up and running. This, once again, is an HP fault, and it actually also mixes in with another problem, is that it's the HP BIOS that has a problem, creates this situation, and also over that, well, the new certificates for the secure boot get installed, but they create a situation where there's an error message. So it's a big mess, basically. And so touches, once again, only HP high-end machines. If you have an HP machine, which is of consumer grade, those machines are not affected by this flaw. This is really only the high-end machines that are apparently in this boot loop. So the link to the article is in the description below. Hopefully, it's going to help you get out of that that situation of recovery that just asks over and over again, and that it fixes your issue. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.